Hello friends, this is the second part of the video in which we are discussing NEET questions that are asked from NCERT Physics Class 12 textbook part 2. For the logic circuit shown, the truth table is A, B, Y. There are four options given. You have to select one option that chooses or satisfy the given logic circuit. We know the first part is a NOT gate. The NOT gate just reverses the numerical. Supposing if the numerical is 1 or the number sent is 1, after passing through NOT gate it becomes 0. If it's 0 it changes to 1, and that's about the NOT gate. So there are 5 types of gate which are given in NCERT, and there is also a proof. So NCERT has all these types of gates given, so a thorough revision must be done in order to do these type of questions. So first type of gate is NOT gate that turn 1 to 0, 0 to 1. The second type of gate is OR gate. This is the symbol of OR gate. And NAND gate. NAND gate is indicated as follows. This is NAND gate. AND gate. This is OR gate and this is AND gate. So NOR gate is just symbolized by adding a circle in before. So this turned to be NOR and this turned to be NAND. So the final letter of AND gate is D, and the gate also looks like D. And here the first letter is O, and that's why it's curved like O. And this is a way to remember it. And the given gate is NOR gate, since it looks like a curved one and it has a circle in before, so it's a NOR gate. So for NOR gate is more of like an OR gate, but just the reverse of OR gate. So if 1 0, OR gate gives 1. For 0 0, OR gate gives 0. For 0 1, OR gate gives 1, 1 1, OR gate gives 1. Either of the two number must be 1 so that it gives 1. So usually we symbolize OR gate as A plus B OR gate. NOR gate is indicated like A plus B the whole bar. So if this is for OR gate, NOR gate will have 1 0 0 0. So the NOR gate will have 1 0 0 0. But this is not only about NOR gate, two NOT gates and one NOR gate. So in order to show this, let's take numerical examples. When A is 0, B is 0, after passing through it becomes 1. So after passing through two NOT gates it becomes 1. So, for OR gate 1 1 will give 1. Since it is a NOR gate it will give 0. So for 0 0 the answer is 0. Supposing A is going to be 1. So 1 0 1 after passing through NOT gate is going to be 0, and 0 after passing through NOT gate is going to be 1. So 0 1 for OR gate gives 1, but for NOR gate it gives 0 only. Similarly for 0 1, 1 0 is different, 0 1 is different, but it gives the same answer, 0. So let's try for 1 and 1. For 1 and 1 after passing through NOT gate it gives 0 and 0. 0 0 OR gate gives 0, but it's a NOR gate. So for 0 0 it's going to be 1. And this shows that the fourth option is the right one. So 1 1 1. You could also find out answers by using the formulas that we in general study in mathematics or even in physics. So we usually indicate NOR A bar as NOT gate. So A after passing through NOT gate turns as A bar and B as B bar. So for OR gate we indicate plus sign. Since it's an OR gate, A bar plus B bar the whole bar. A bar plus B bar is equal to A dot B the whole bar, the A dot B the whole bar. So this is an expression, important expression. Since it already have a whole bar upon it, write a whole bar, and bar bar getting cancelled, it gives A dot B, and A dot B we indicate as AND gate. AND gate, and that's why the resultant answer will have a truth table of AND gate. And that's it for now. Thank you friends. We could expect further videos based on the questions.